Welcome back, Acadiana. We got high pressure keeping us dry for at least the next couple of days, but this high pressure system will eventually slide off towards the east and allow for an influx of Gulf moisture to return to our area. So switching gears to the visibility, before we get to those dew points, we'll actually see a few areas deal with some patchy fog. Not expecting anything dense for tomorrow morning, but with some low level moisture that can bring us some patchy fog for Monday morning. Not expecting a dense fog advisory, just some patchy fog around daybreak on Monday. Now, as far as that muggy meter, we got the dry air in now, but as you can tell, we'll start to see those dew points increase as we get further into the week. Actually, starting on Monday, we'll see those dew points in the 60s, possibly some low 70s out there through the end of the week. And as you can tell, it is a drop in those dew points Thursday and Friday. That's representing another cold front that we'll have here arriving on Friday. Now, with that cold front, we're not expecting a drastic change in temperatures. We'll actually see temperatures drop off by a couple degrees, so it'll be a little bit noticeable, but not a major difference as what we've seen with this last system. That was about a 10 to 15 degree temperature drop. This will be more so of 5 to 10 degrees in that time, in that frame there. So when it comes to the rain chances, best chance of rain arriving between Thursday and Friday. Best chance of rain Thursday night into Friday around 40%. And as you can tell, those rain chances are not high, very scattered in nature. Some areas might not even get any rainfall for the end of the week. And once that cold front passes through, we'll see lower rain chances Saturday and Sunday. And as far as the rest of this evening and tonight goes, very dry, not much to discuss when it comes to the weather. The clouds will still be with us all the way through tomorrow as well. We'll actually get some patchy fog in there around daybreak. After that, it'll start to burn off as the morning progresses, but temperatures, they'll be a lot different for tomorrow afternoon, actually in the 60s and 70s, because today we only topped out in the mid 50s, and pair that with cloudy skies, temperatures were very chilly on this Sunday, but won't be expecting that for tomorrow. We'll actually see a little bit more in the way of sunshine for tomorrow afternoon, and then we'll see temperatures drop off just a little bit ahead Friday night, Saturday, get my days mixed up. First show back in 2026, so still getting my mind back into the groove of things, but temperatures dropping off into the upper 50s, low 60s Monday night into early Tuesday. So here are those temperatures coming up for tonight. Another chilly one out there in the 40s, may see a few low 50s closer to the Gulf Coast, but after that, warming up into the 60s and 70s by tomorrow afternoon, topping out around 70 in Kinder, 68 in Ville Platte and Opelousas, 70s across Lafayette, Cecilia, and Crowley, and for our coastal parishes between 70 and 72. So to recap conditions for tonight, a few areas of patchy fog going into the morning hours, along with some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, and still chilly night ahead in the upper 40s. And then for tomorrow, very warm during the afternoon, topping out in the low 70s, at least between 10 to 15 degrees warmer ahead for tomorrow, but we'll at least have a mix of sun and clouds coming up for Monday. So to break down that 10-day forecast, temperatures will actually gradually continue to warm up into the upper 70s. We may even have some low 80s out there arriving by the end of the week with another cold front on Friday. After that, we'll see temperatures drop off just a little bit going into Saturday into the mid 60s, but it will actually have some cooler and colder air arriving by next Monday in the 50s. Stay tuned, we will have another look at the 10-day forecast.